The Middle East is burning, Gaza smashed, Syria hammered, Lebanon scarred, Yemen struck, Iran violated, Qatar bombed, 6 nations in months, and Israel isn't slowing down. So the question is simple: is Turkey next? Why? Because Hamas isn't just in Gaza tunnels. Its brains, cyber commanders, and financiers hide in Turkey. And Netanyahu's warning is brutal. No matter where terrorists hide, we will hunt them down. People laughed when rumors said Israel might bomb Doha. Nobody believed it. But missiles hit near Qatar's capital. If Doha isn't safe, why should Ankara be? This isn't new. After Munich 72, Mossad hunted Palestinians across Europe. Assassinations, kidnappings, no limits. In 2025, the same doctrine is alive. Here's Turkey's nightmare. F-16s older than most pilots. Cold War relic, F-4s still flying. No F-35s after Erdogan clashed with Washington. Weak, patchy air defenses. Meanwhile, Israel commands stealth F-35s, kamikaze drones, and electronic warfare beasts. It's a sword versus a laser. But Turkey is NATO. You'll say, doesn't matter. If Israel claims it struck Hamas operatives, not Turkish forces, NATO won't trigger Article 5. Washington will protect Israel. Brussels will complain. OIC will condemn. Nothing real will happen. So what's next? Israel won't rush. It'll wait for Turkey to lower its guard. And then midnight skies, invisible F-35s, one precision strike, a single building, erased in Ankara. Turkey humiliated. And the message will be clear. Borders mean nothing. Sovereignty means nothing. If Israel marks you, nowhere is safe. The darkest part? After Gaza, Syria, Lebanon, Yemen, Iran, and Qatar, if Turkey falls, the only Islamic nuclear state left untouched is Pakistan. And if Hamas operatives surface there, don't be shocked if even Pakistan enters Israel's crosshairs. The question isn't if, it's when. Will Ankara hear the thunder of F-35s next?